Hi there, welcome back. Today you have just seen a video clip of me cleaning up. When you tear a car like this apart, then you get a lot of mess. And I got the attic filled with parts of this car. I got that wall filled with parts of the car. I got this wall filled with parts of the car. So I decided it was time to, here it is, to buy some shelves and put most of the stuff relating to the engine on the shelf, because we don't need that stuff right now. I don't know, because next week the painter is coming. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm very excited because tomorrow we're gonna finish welding. So this is welding part 2, I guess. And he made some pieces. These pieces. Yes, you see them now right now, and you see me on the background maybe. So yeah, yay! Finally. um, I was a little bit scared when he got in my Ferrari, but I hope tomorrow, because now it's late, and when you just saw the clip, you probably saw that the neighbors and my wife started complaining I made a little bit of noise. No, who cares? Sorry, Dario. So tomorrow I'm gonna continue welding, and hopefully I can make some good videos of it. We got all day, got about 8 hours tomorrow, so that's a good thing finally, because last videos you saw that I was a little bit of time in need of time. Yeah, so the result was not really what I want, but yeah, I do what I can do, and I hope I can motivate you to do the same, because you just have to try it. So I'm gonna snap my finger, and then you're gonna see that it is tomorrow, and we're doing. And I hope that we're gonna finish it tomorrow. Yes. Wow. Yesterday I was all excited. Today not so. No. As you probably could see, we started off, well, okay. Sorry. Yeah, well, Andy started welding the back part, what he had planned to do. And we thought we had enough time to do a lot. But soon after he started, he discovered that the sheet metal of the back part is very thin. So basically what he thought he was going to do is just take small pieces, weld them in, instead of taking a big part out and making a new part and putting it back in. In the end, we should have done it different. So take the big part out, make the big part new, and put that then back in the car. And the biggest problem when you are working in a garage like this, I'll fix you up, is that whenever it goes wrong, you have to make a part again. And we don't have the tools. So Andy had to cut out what he just made and take it with him to the shop. And that will mean that this week we are not going to finish the welding. Next week we're gonna probably not finish the welding. Maybe the week after that. It's quite annoying. And I'm kind of worried because Wednesday the painter is coming over to inspect the car to see what he has to do. And now I have to tell him that not everything is done. And first I'm going to show you just like it is. This is the part we fucked up. Sorry for my words. And I'm gonna show you here. This is the new part that we cut. So Andy's now back at the shop, but yeah, well, it will take a few days before he can come back here. Man, why? Don't let it scare you. Just do your project, but be aware that sometimes things will take longer than you expect them to. And one thing I am going to think about now is, should we finish, and maybe you can give me some advice on this, should we finish the welding job? Because I cannot do it. I wish I could. I wish. And I will learn, but not on this car. I'm not gonna ruin my Ferrari with amateur welding job for somebody who's never done it before. And well, no, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm a little bit depressed, and I realize at the same time I'm giving you again another video with a time lapse of doing exactly the same thing as we did before. So I'm really struggling here. Should I just invest more money and take it to a pro, let them finish it, or should I hang in there because I trust Andy? I know he is capable of doing this job, and just let it be. Well, what I'm going to do right now is clean the garage up again, have a cup of coffee, and go see what my little girls want to do, and spend some quality time with them and forget about this project. And tomorrow I'm gonna think of what we're going to do to get this project faster because this is taking just too long. I'm so sorry, guys and girls and everyone who's watching. Yesterday I was so happy. All week I've been watching forward for this moment, and now, yeah, I feel like we didn't come very far. He did weld the there we are. He did weld the another light. This one was not done, so the front of the car is finished. I am getting the stuff back together and put the hood on, and we should not need to go there anymore. But there's a lot to do. So yeah, well, there's nothing I can do. Just hang in there, and maybe if you know a place where I can learn to weld, and somebody who can teach me or want to teach me, or I am open for it, because maybe I can help, because now I can only watch, and while Andy is doing the welding I am working on electrics, but that's something I can do in the evenings or the night times, or doesn't matter. But I cannot help with welding, and I sure want to, just like the bodywork. I want to learn how to get things perfect. So well, we'll see. Okay, well, that is it. Thank you for watching. So sorry that I could not show you the finished product of today's video. Maybe next time. Thank you. Goodbye.